So this TikTok shop generated $724,000 in the last 7 days alone, selling this product right here. And we've also got these content creators who generated videos promoting these products. They're called TikTok shop affiliates. And this one at the top made $176,000 in revenue in just the last 7 days. Second one there made $38,000. And this one made $34,000 in the last 7 days. The list goes on. But what exactly is TikTok shop, and what's the difference between TikTok shop and TikTok shop affiliate? What are the entry requirements in the US and the United Kingdom? What's the difference between all of this and dropshipping, or is dropshipping part of it? How do content creators get paid? How do shops get paid? And more importantly, how can you get started today if you are a newcomer to all of this? I'm going to explain all of that and more. And if you find value throughout the video, be sure to drop us a big thumbs up. Apparently, the more people like the video, the more YouTube is going to show this video to more people. So let's start with what exactly is TikTok shop.
TikTok Shop is TikTok's built-in e-commerce marketplace. Instead of sending viewers away to Shopify, Amazon, or another store, TikTok has created its own ecosystem where products can be discovered, promoted, and purchased, all without leaving the app. You scroll, you get entertained, and if you see a product you like, boom, you can buy it right there in-app. Example, let's say you're watching a funny TikTok about a quirky cat toy. Right below the video, you notice a buy button with that exact toy listed. If you click, you can purchase it instantly without having to open another app. The creator who posted the video might earn a commission, and the shop selling the toy makes a sale. Everybody wins.
Now let's move on to where exactly does dropshipping come into this process?
This is where things get interesting for e-commerce sellers. Dropshipping is when you sell a product without holding any inventory yourself. Instead, when someone buys through your store or TikTok shop, the order is sent to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. In the past, most dropshippers used Shopify or WooCommerce, then ran ads on Facebook or Instagram to drive traffic. TikTok shop flips the script by putting your products in front of TikTok's massive organic audience, and you don't even need a website if you don't want one. That means you can sign up as a TikTok shop seller. List your products, either products you source or from suppliers that allow dropshipping. Leverage creators to promote them. More on affiliates in a second. Sit back while TikTok handles checkout, payment, and even shipping logistics in some cases. Quick example, imagine you find a trending water bottle supplier on Alibaba. Instead of running Facebook ads, you list it directly on TikTok shop. A fitness creator makes a video review and links your bottle in their post. Their audience buys, TikTok processes payments, your supplier ships it, and you pocket the profit. Dropshipping through TikTok shop reduces your upfront risk compared to bulk ordering inventory, making it a beginner-friendly entry into e-commerce.
Let's talk about TikTok shop affiliate, the difference between affiliate and TikTok shop.
TikTok Shop Affiliate is the program that allows creators to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. So if you're a TikTok creator who doesn't want to deal with inventory or customer service, you can simply apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate. Browse the marketplace for products to promote. Add affiliate links to your videos or live streams. Earn a percentage commission every time someone buys through your link. It's like TikTok's version of Amazon Associates, but with video content at the center. Example, let's say you're a beauty creator. You find a viral skincare serum listed on TikTok Shop Affiliate with a 20% commission rate. You film a before and after review, add the link, and your followers start buying. If the serum costs $25, you make $5 per sale without ever touching the product. For creators, this means you can literally turn your content into a passive income stream, and for sellers, it means free distribution because affiliates are out there pushing your products for you.
If you are finding value in this video, be sure to drop us a big thumbs up, much appreciated. Back to the video. Now let's talk about entry requirements in the US and the United Kingdom. Keep in mind, if you're outside these regions, you can always just Google to see if TikTok shop is available where you are.
Now, let's clear up some confusion. TikTok shop doesn't just let anyone jump in. There are specific requirements whether you're in the US or UK. For TikTok shop sellers, dropshippers, brands, store owners, US requirements must be 18 plus. Provide a valid US phone number and email. Business sellers need an LLC, tax info, EIN, and ID verification. Individual sellers, non-LLC, can also register with government-issued ID and SSN. UK requirements must be 18 plus. Provide UK phone number and email. Business sellers, company registration number, VT if applicable, and ID. Individual sellers, government ID, proof of address. Note, some categories like food, supplements, or electronics may require additional certification. For TikTok shop affiliates creators, US requirements must be 18 plus, have at least 5,000 followers, active TikTok account in good standing, government issued ID. UK requirements must be 18 plus, no strict follower count requirement, smaller creators can join via open plan, must have an engaged TikTok account, government issued ID. The follower count difference is a key one. In the UK, TikTok is more flexible with allowing nano and micro influencers into the program, while in the US, they've set the bar higher.
Okay, now let's talk about how TikTok shop creators get paid.
TikTok pays creators in the affiliate program through commissions. Here's how it works. Creator promotes a product in their video or live stream. Viewer clicks the product link and completes a purchase. TikTok tracks the sale and logs it in your affiliate dashboard. After the order is confirmed and refund window passes, the commission is released. Example, a creator promotes a kitchen gadget that costs $30 with a 15% commission rate. Each sale a $450 commission. If their video drives 500 sales, that's $2,250 earned from one piece of content.
Now let's move on to how shops get paid.
For sellers, the process is just as streamlined. Customer purchases product through TikTok Shop. TikTok processes the payment and holds it in escrow until the order is delivered. Once confirmed, TikTok releases funds minus fees. Fees in the US and UK, TikTok charges a commission, usually 5% per sale. Payment is sent to your registered bank account. Example, you sell a phone accessory for $20. TikTok takes 5%, 1-1. You receive $19 minus your product cost and shipping. If you're dropshipping, your supplier might charge you $7, leaving you with a $12 profit. The beauty here, TikTok handles all the messy checkout, refunds, and returns so sellers can focus on products and marketing.
By this point, you're probably thinking, okay, how can I get started today?
Alright, now let's put this all into a step-by-step checklist depending on whether you want to be a seller or a creator affiliate. If you're a seller, dropshipping, or brand, register on TikTok Seller Center. Just Google TikTok Seller Center. Choose your type, business or individual seller. Upload documents, ID, company reg, tax info. List your products with high quality images, clear descriptions, and competitive prices. Optimize for affiliates, set a decent commission rate 10-20% to attract creators. Promote through content, either post your own TikToks or partner with affiliates. Monitor analytics. Use TikTok's dashboard to track sales and payout schedules. If you're a creator, affiliate, apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate in the Creator Marketplace. Verify your identity with a government ID. Browse the affiliate marketplace for products to promote. Pick your niche, stick to products your audience would actually buy. Create engaging content. Tutorials, unboxings, reactions, transformations. Add product links to your videos or go live with products tagged. Check your commissions in the dashboard and get paid weekly.
All of that being out the way, the question that you've probably got in your head, where do I find these products that I'm promoting? Good news is the video that's currently on the screen